First up, I'm going to be gingerfying the brows using Kat Von D Beauty Super Brows in Bleach, Daffodil and LA Girl Pro Concealer in Orange. Spoolie and brush product through the brow hairs, avoiding the skin. I'm setting the cream products with an auburn eyeshadow from my Naked Heat palette by Urban Decay. Now I'm going in with Black Moon Cosmetics Grave Lipstick and blending it into the lid as a dark eyeshadow base. Next, I'm using the shade Suspension from the Kat Von D Beauty Fetish palette, dabbing and blending it onto the eye in a winged out halo shape. I'm then using my fingertip to apply rope to the centre of the eye and cuffs to highlight. I often like to go back in with darker shades to reinforce the depth of the look. Always remember to blend the edges out. Now I'm using the palest shade from my Naked Heat palette to highlight the brow bone. Then I'm going in with black and silver pencil liners to accentuate that halo effect. And yes, that is a magic wand. For my base I used Fenty Beauty's Pro Filtr Primer and Foundation. I did use a crystal ball to apply my foundation for some sweet Instagram clickbait. Then I went in with a sponge to clean up the mess I'd made. I then used Tarte Shape Tape Concealer under my eyes and on my nose and set this with a little bit of powder. I contoured my cheekbones and nose with the NYX Contour and Highlight palette, highlighted my face using OMG by La Masca and used Honey Thief Blush by Melt Cosmetics. I'm using a root spray to create a fake freckle effect. Let me know if you'd like a dedicated tutorial for this technique. I do have a miniature one on my Instagram if you'd like to look at that. I'm now applying Abyss lipstick by Black Moon Cosmetics to my lips. Then patting the shade Castle onto the centre, reinforcing the silver colour with that cuff shade we used earlier. Then I'm applying mascara and a pair of Rouge and Rogue lashes. For the final touches, I'm drawing on a little black moon below my eye and adding Linda Holberg Cosmetics Infinity Glass to my lips. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe if you'd like to see more from me here on YouTube.